Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a workspace in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, choose your workstation or workspace that you like to delete. Once you choose your workspace, click to the name of your workspace, then this type of drop-down menu will appear in your screen. Hover your mouse to Tool and Setting, then from here go to Workspace Settings. Then it will redirect you to this kind of page. Here scroll down, in Setting option scroll down to bottom. There you can see Delete Workspace option. Click to Delete Workspace, then enter your Slack password, then click to Yes, delete my workspace. Then your workspace will be deleted. Make sure that you are the owner of the workspace. Only the owner of the workspace can delete the workspace. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.